Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week at everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news that of the significant economic blocs in the world, only the US is still expanding strongly. Japan, China and the EU all seem to be falling away now. Firstly, in the US though, the Chicago PMI, the widely watched factory index in the US manufacturing heartland, surprised with a strong rise of an already strongly expanding result. A small fall was actually expected. However, the Dallas Fed factory survey did slip as expected, but new order levels held steady at a fast pace, and costs are still rising quickly there. Canadian producer prices were still rising at a very fast clip in December, up 16% year on year, even if this is marginally lower than for November. And both Japanese retail sales and industrial production for December disappointed. Retail sales rose just from December, but industrial production fell on that basis. Perhaps the recent green shoots were premature. In China, their private sector factory PMI contracted in January, a reading that was worse than the official factory PMI. Beijing might be focused on their Winter Olympic celebrations, and most people are on their spring festival break, but policymakers must be concerned about the very lacklustre economic performance that is dragging on there. In Germany, their inflation rate fell for the first time in 7 months to 4.9% in January, from a 5.3% in December. And the steam is going out of the EU economy. Fourth quarter results posted the slowest expansion since the first quarter as Omicron took an increasing toll. The German economy shrank, offsetting expansions in France, Italy and Spain. For the full year, EU GDP rise was 5.2%, but only 0.3% in the fourth quarter, and that's an annualised rate of about 1.2%. All eyes are now on the Reserve Bank of Australia and its policy review, which comes out at 4:30 New Zealand time today. It has spent north of $300 billion on its money printing stimulus so far, and that program is expected to end today. In addition, there are also lots of other Australian economic data due today. The US Treasury 10-year yield opens today at 1.79% and up 1 basis point. And the price of gold starts today at $1,796 an ounce, and that's up $7 from this time yesterday. And oil prices start today little changed from yesterday at just over $86.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is now just over $88 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar will open today a little firmer at 65.7 US cents against the Australian dollar. We're more than half a cent lower at 93.1 Australian cents. Against the euro, it'll change to 58.6 euro cents. That means our trade weighted index starts today down at 70.6 and still is 14-month low. We welcome your feedback. Leave a comment below or on our website. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.